Hi students, welcome back to the class 10. Example, find the value of log of minus 1 plus root 3i. First write minus 1 plus root 3i equals r into cos theta plus I sin theta. R equals square root of a square plus b square minus 1 square plus root 3 square. Minus 1 square is 1, root 3 square is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, square root of 4 is 2. Therefore, minus 1 plus root 3i equals 2 into cos theta plus I sin theta. Theta equals tan inverse of b by a, tan inverse of root 3 divided by minus 1. Tan inverse of minus root 3. Tan inverse of minus theta is minus tan inverse theta minus tan inverse of root 3. Tan inverse of root 3 value 5 by 3. Therefore, theta equals minus 5 by 3. Minus 1 plus root 3i equals 2 cos of minus 5 by 3 plus I sin minus 5 by 3. 2 cos of minus theta is cos theta, cos 5 by 3 plus I sin of minus theta is minus I sin theta, minus I sin of 5 by 3. Minus 1 plus root 3i equals 2 into e power I theta. 2 into e power minus 5 by 3 theta. Log of minus 1 plus root 3 equals log, take log on both sides, log of 2 into e power minus 5 by 3 I. Log 2, log ab is log a plus log b, log 2 plus log of e power minus 5 by 3 I. Log 2 minus 5 by 3 into I log e to the base e. This the value of log e is 1. Log 2 minus 5 by 3 I, this is principal value. Log 2 minus 5 by 3 I plus 2n pi I, this is general value. Next, find the principal and general value of log I to the power I to the base e equals I log I to the base e. I equals 0 plus I r into cos theta plus I sin theta. The value of r is 1. Theta equals tan inverse of b by a. Tan inverse of 1 by 0 is tan inverse of infinity. Theta equals 5 by 2. I equals r is 1 cos 5 by 2 plus I sin 5 by 2. This can be written as e power I pi by 2. This I value is e power I by 2. I pi by 2. Take log on both sides. Log I equals log of e power I pi by 2. Log I equals I pi by 2 log e to the base e. Log I equals I pi by 2 into 1. I log I equals I into I pi by 2. I into I square. I square value minus 5 by 2. Therefore, I log I equals minus 5 by 2. This is principal value. Minus 5 by 2 plus 2n phi I. This is general value. Next example, show that log of I plus root 3 equals log 2 plus I 5 by 6. I plus root 3 can be written as r cos theta plus I sin theta. This is not in the form of a plus ib, so this can be written as root 3 plus I. A value root 3, b value 1. R equals a square plus b square. This is b square plus a square, no problem. 1 square is 1, root 3 square is 3, 1 plus 3 is root 4 equals 2. Theta equals tan inverse of b by a. B value 1, tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Tan inverse of 1 by root 3 is 5 by 6. Therefore, I plus root 3 equals 2 cos 5 by 6 plus I sin 5 by 6 equals 2 into e power 5 by 6 I. Log of I plus root 3 equals, take log on both sides, log 2 into e power 5 by 6 I. Log ab, log 2 plus log of e power 5i by 6. Log 2 plus 5 by 6 I log e to the base e. Therefore, this is equals log 2 plus 5 by 6i. This is principal value. Example, separate into real and imaginary parts of log of 4 plus 3i. 4 plus 3i equals r into cos theta plus I sin theta. R equals square root of a square plus b square. 4 square plus 3 square. 16 plus 9, 25. Root 25 is 5. Theta equals tan inverse of b by a. Tan inverse of root 3 by I. Tan inverse of 3 by 4. 4 plus 3i equals r into e power I theta. R value 5. E power I into theta is tan inverse of 3 by 4. Log of 4 plus 3i equals log of this one. 5 into e power I tan inverse of 3 by 4. Log AB. Log 5 plus log of e power I tan inverse of 3 by 4. Log I plus I tan inverse of 3 by 4 into log e to the base e. This value is 1. Therefore, this is equals log 5 plus I tan inverse of 3 by 4. This is principal value. This is equals log 5 plus I tan inverse of 3 by 4 plus 2n phi I. This is general value. Log I plus in these two terms take I common. We have 2n pi plus tan inverse of 3 by 4. This is of the form a plus ib, where a is real part log 5, b is imaginary part 2n pi plus tan inverse of 3 by 4. Next one, summation of trigonometric series. In this section, we have to find the sum of the trigonometric series in the form cos theta plus I sin theta. Simply it is c plus is, where cos theta is the real part of the function and sin theta is the imaginary part of the function. S equals a0 sin alpha plus a1 sin of alpha plus beta plus a2 sin of alpha plus 2 beta and so on. C equals a0 cos alpha plus a1 cos of alpha plus beta plus a2 cos of alpha plus 2 beta and so on, where a0, a1, a2, a3 and so on are constants. Here the above series are finite or infinite. If suppose the sum of the series is finite, then sum of the n series is in GP, that is a plus ar square and so on ar to the power n equals a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r, where r less than 1. Second one, suppose sum of the series is infinite, a plus ar square and so on up to infinity, then the value equals a divided by 1 minus r when r less than 1. Third one, e power I theta equals cos theta plus I sin theta. E power minus I theta equals cos theta minus I sin theta. Example, equate the real and imaginary parts of the sum of the given series. This is the given series. Sin alpha plus 1 by 2 factorial sin 2 alpha plus 1 by 3 factorial sin 3 alpha and so on. First write S equals real part sin alpha 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial sin 2 alpha plus 1 by 3 factorial sin 3 alpha and so on. We have C equals 1 plus cos alpha plus 1 plus 2 factorial cos 2 alpha plus 1 by 3 factorial cos 3 alpha and so on. Next consider C plus IS. This is C plus I into this one. First term 1 plus cos alpha plus I into sin alpha plus in these two terms 1 by 2 factorial common cos 2 alpha plus I into sin 2 alpha plus in these two terms 1 by 3 factorial common, so write it outside, cos 3 alpha plus I into sin 3 alpha and so on. 1 plus cos alpha plus I sin alpha is e power I alpha plus 1 by 2 factorial cos 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha is e power I 2 alpha plus 1 by 3 factorial cos 3 alpha plus I sin 3 alpha is e power I 3 alpha. This is the exponential series. Okay, this is of the form e power I alpha. Okay, replace e power I alpha by cos alpha plus sin alpha. E power cos alpha plus I sin alpha, that is e power cos alpha e power I sin alpha. E power cos alpha into This is of the form e power I theta cos theta plus I sin theta. Here instead of theta we have sin alpha. Cos of sin alpha plus I sin of sin alpha. Then c plus is equals e power cos alpha into cos of sin alpha plus I into e power cos alpha into sin of sin alpha. Here real part is e power cos alpha cos of sin alpha. This is real part. Imaginary part is e power cos alpha sin of sin alpha.